Today we are going to decorate our pumpkins. Here are our pumpkins. We have a white one, a green one, and a yellow-green stripy one. We are using Crayon pumpkin painting kits today. This one is the Create Your Own Creatures. Here is what is inside. This one is Decorate Pumpkins with Paint Sticks. Here is what is inside. Let's open up this one first. So it says to use purple paint first, and then blue paint, and then black paint, and then white paint. And then after the entire pumpkin is painted, then we can add our stickers. We have spiders, bats, and stars on this page. And these are our glow-in-the-dark stickers. We are going to paint the white pumpkin first. All right, small circles to fill it all in. All right, I'm going to twist it a little bit. These colors are really pretty. They're very vibrant on this white pumpkin. All right, let's spin it again. All right, ready?
Yes.
Okay. So now, Bear Bear, you take your blue and go into the purple, and then Auggie, you go into the blue with your purple, okay?
Okay.
And we still have 2 more colors, so it doesn't have to be like perfect. Whoa, this looks great. Okay.
So this is a giant spot for me to fill in.
This is looking great. All right, now you are ready to use your white and black paint and fill in the gaps. Ooh, it's looking great. Wow. What do we think?
It's perfect.
Okay. Now it's time to add the stickers. Okay. The spiders and bats. And then the glow-in-the-dark stars.
I'm getting this.
And then you put a bat on there. That's cute. A little sticker on the spider.
Yeah, to make it look cute.
Yeah. Here is the final product. Here is a closer look. There are spiders and bats and glow-in-the-dark stars all over it. This is really interesting. This didn't take much time, so it was a very quick project. Very fun. Let's do the monster kit. All right, let's open up the second kit. We have monster eyes and noses, eyebrows. Looks like bat wings, teeth, scars, little screws, glitter glue, modeling clay, and our paint. And we are going to decorate these. And I brought extra paint brushes so we don't have to double dip into the paint wells and mix up paint. It looks like on the box the monster is kind of blotchy painted, so we're not going to paint it like a solid color. The modeling clay is so that we can make horns or extra features for our monster. So we're trying to make a Frankenstein monster, so maybe I can make a nose or eyebrows with this. Let's see. And here is what the pumpkin looks like so far. Looks fun. Here is our nose and the eyebrow area. And then next we are going to add in the eyeballs and the other monster features. This is what we have so far. Okay. Eyebrow area. This is what it looks like now. Okay, let's add some more stuff. So let's choose the Frankenstein eyes. Okay. And then we'll add a little bit of paint to the back of it. So we have some paint on the back of that eye. Actually, let's use the glitter glue that came with it. Boop. Okay. Stick that eyeball on there.
I'm actually just gonna put it on.
Okay.
Not where it was.
Okay.
Whoa.
Let's do the mouth. That looks pretty Frankenstein-y.
Then his mouth.
It's Frankenstein's bolts. Let's use those. Bolts underneath that. Maybe it'll hold better. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, let's see. Whoa. Whoa, he looks so good. Bear Bear is going to paint the nose and eyebrows for added effect.
Boop.
While Auggie adds in the stitches. Looking great.
Whoa, that nose looks green.
Whoa. That looks better, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. Ooh, yeah. Look at the stitches. Look at that nose. Whoa.
Okay, then one more. That looks good.
So here he is painted. And then we are going to add one final detail, which is
The eyebrow.
the eyebrow. The classic Frankenstein eyebrow. So here is our Frankenstein pumpkin. Here are the final products. We have our Frankenstein monster and our spider bat star pumpkin. They were both really simple to do. These are really fun to make. Girls, do you have a favorite?
Yes. Both.
Both? Okay.
My favorite is Frankenstein. It's crazy. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, here they are set up on our porch. We actually made the dragon. This is him. I had to hot glue everything on. Here is our glow-in-the-dark pumpkin and our Frankenstein.
And we also added hair.
And we also added hair. I had to hot glue everything on because it kept falling off, but they look great. Let's check out the glow-in-the-dark feature. So the stars are really glowing. It's really pretty.
There's actually a star on the spider.
Oh yeah, I can see it.